Okay, here we are out in the dog yard. This is the old yard swing. My dad got it around 1960. It's about a 100-year-old swing. He got it around 1960.
It wasn't new when he got it.
It was old and beat up when he got it. He had to put all new wood on it. And 30-some years later, he put new wood on it again. We brought it down here from Iowa. And we just finished putting new wood on it ourselves. So that's 4 sets of wood this swing has had in his life. So it's about good for 25 or 30 years. And we've got this out in the dog yard where we can sit here and enjoy a pleasant beverage and watch our dogs.
And swing a dog.
And we can have the dog up in this swing with us. Isn't this lovely? And I think my dad had white pine on it. We put red oak on it. And we varnished it rather than painted. Let's ski over here on this side. You can see the light on that red oak. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, this is our happy 50th wedding anniversary present to ourselves. We've been married 50 years this summer, and this was a present to ourselves, putting new wood on the old swing. And I guess with that pretty wood, we're going to have to start throwing a tarp over it when we're not using it.
Or build a roof.
I guess, yeah, we could build a roof on it, get a couple sheets of plywood and hang a roof on it.
I think we'll throw a tarp on it.
Yeah, tarp is easy. You can throw a tarp over it to protect it. Oh boy, isn't this special?
Here's to another 50 years in the swing.
Yeah, our dogs are going to love this. Wow. Now that is nice. Anyway, we moved it with the Kubota, put a couple poles over the bucket and tied them on with straps, and we were able to pick that up and walk it right in here and set it on some cement blocks that we purchased at the hardware store, and it looks like it sits pretty good. Anyway, if you all show up here, we'll get a delightful beverage for you, and we can come out and swing together. Thank you very much for visiting.